My inspiration as person is nature, architecture, astronomy, and kinematic, what is the study of the movement. My creative approach was to give a shape to the time, and we found a way to display that through the continuous movement of the planets. A great challenge to design this watch was to find an harmony between design, technique, and emotion. It was really a dream to join the Opus family and to create a new watch with the whole team. I hope that the others see the audacity, purity, technique, and emotion of the watch. One word to describe Opus 10 is harmony.